brushes, paint, and some clothespins. We'll also need cups of water. We'll also need napkins and a paint. First, we're gonna need some clothespins and some paint. We're gonna use white paint because we're gonna make the snowman. First, let's paint these clothespins. Yes, also don't forget to protect your work area with newspaper or saran wrap. You can use paint pens or any other things, but we're using acrylic paint. For paint, you should put about 1 to 2 coats of paint or until it's fully coated. Next, you're gonna wanna let it sit for 45 minutes until it's fully dry. After you've let it dry, get your markers and draw your cute faces. Here's the final product. And don't forget to smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell for more fabulous videos from Ma and Mai. Thank you. Bye-bye.